Hi everyone, I'm James from Wildjar, and today I'd like to show you Call Flow Builder and building a time-based route. So let's just jump in. We've got our business selected, go into numbers, and we can see here we've already ordered a number and we're waiting on configuring the call flow. Click into the number, we have our simple call routing feature, and now you'd like to click into advanced call flow. Once here, it's a simple drag and drop. So the yellow option is time-based route. Drag onto the line there. And then our first step, what we'd like to do is we'd like to create a transfer. So this is where we can configure the time switch. For this, I'm going to show Monday to Friday. So I'd like to say that between the hours of 8:30 in the morning and 6:30 in the evening, update, I'd like to route to my mobile. Okay, you can also add in the call recording features and your advanced options there too. Hit update, and that's done. I'm also going to drop in a voicemail message there. So if we miss a call, I'd like the email to be sent to my email address, message, and update the message there. Perfect. So now what's happening is that our time switch, Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 6:30, it's going to route to my mobile. Now what we need to do is we need to set up the routing for outside of those hours. So I'm just going to drag and drop a transfer onto the default, and we have an outbound contact center who will answer the calls for us as well, and I'd like to record them. Perfect. All done. Hit the save at the top right, and the call flow is now updated. And that is how easy it is to create a simple time-based route. You can also go and add additional options if you wanted to do weekends, so Saturdays, or if you wanted to add in, Sundays, or you can do every day or individual days as well. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.